Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to cut the frontal lace, apply the tapes, and install a hair system. I'm using the Quanta from Lordhair in color 22, but I customized it by myself to this grayish platinum shade, which I absolutely love. I also have other videos where I showed how I dyed the hair system by myself. If you're interested, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any content. First of all, let's start by cutting the frontal lace. I prefer to cut it in a zigzag pattern, which helps it to blend more naturally and avoids that straight line look across your forehead. Alright, now fast forward, I've applied the tapes around the system, but I left a little bit gap near the frontal lace. This is because I'll be using the toupee spray method to secure the hairline for a more natural look. Alright, now's the time to put the system onto the head, and it's usually 4 fingers above your eyebrow. Now I'm applying some toupee hairspray, and then let it dry for about 10 seconds, and then gently press down the lace onto your forehead. And now I'm just making my hair wet and using a blow dryer to style it however you like it. So here's the final look. Oh my gosh, just look at the hairline. It's giving scalp. I'm absolutely loving this light color hair system and very impressed how the style turns out. What do you think?